Excuse me, officer, I'd like to report a crime. A guy in a yellow Mustang was just doing donuts in a parking lot. I'd like to file a complaint and have him arrested immediately. Appreciate you guys. Hey, yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. Appreciate y'all tapping in. We're here with this guy.
What's up? I'm back. I've been on the channel in a hot minute.
Yeah, because you're always breaking your car.
Well, it's here now.
Yeah,
and it's
doing
clean
good
too.
Dude, it actually does look good. Blake just cleaned up actually Lucifer and the Mach 1, but Minion's clean. This is a rare sight. You don't see this much. You want a 40 roll? Your car sounds like it's like 1400 wheel. On those 6 cylinders you got firing. Hey, at least you have 6. Some people have 4 cylinders. Oh, there's Raymond. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, thank you.
Kicks.
You like the kicks? You like the grabber blue?
I know.
Shout out Darren. Had to match the whip. He's crazy, bro. Just ran into a buddy. See what he's up to. He has a beautiful Shelby. He has actually quite a few cars. Sir, I'm gonna need license and registration. How you been?
I don't have one. I seen y'all pull in. I was just coming from Walmart grocery shopping. So I went home to my groceries home and got that.
But look at this thing, boys. Beautiful 500. Oh yeah, she looks good. Are you? Wait, it makes 1,000 wheel now, don't it?
It'll make 1,100 a year 85.
Whew.
He's coming to smack Jake.
Oh yeah?
I want a piece of his ass.
He just called you
Are
out.
you recording?
Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah.
I say nothing.
Possibly the worst feeling is having your car completely detailed, sticking it into the garage, and the only time you bring it out after that fresh detail is to go swing it in the rain to where it's gonna get absolutely cruddy again. Craziest colors are outside today. MT82 gonna hold up today?
Yeah.
Well, this is it, buddy. It was nice knowing you. I'll bail you out, worst case. Going to our first little spot. I think Brandon knows a couple of them, but we're gonna try this first one out. I don't know if you guys remember the last time we did this. I was actually in Hades. He brought Minion, and you know, we ripped them. That was really fun because that lot like was decent. Oh my god. Dude, we didn't even get a second to set up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, these hook up so hard. It does not like it at all. She thick. These tires are damn too wide. They don't like it at all, but we'll see what we can make happen. How did that one feel?
It just kicked around.
You going first?
I guess so.
Brandon's gonna send Minion first, then we're gonna send Maverick. I'm a tad bit nervous just because that is gripping up really, really hard. And that's essentially how you mess up, is when all of a sudden tires catch and it doesn't want to break loose, but we're gonna make it at least a couple swings. Dude, it's so loud. Oh my god, that car is so loud. Yo, you gotta feather. You're gagging and doing, like, just feather it and let it slide a little bit, feel it out. You know what I'm saying? All right, it's Maverick's turn. Got you guys a little cool camera angle here. We're gonna give that a go. And we're gonna see what we can make happen. She is gripping, bro. They don't like it. Oh, yeah, this thing's a piece of shit. I just had every light come on. All right, well, there you have it, folks. Everything just went on. Just had every light come on. Did all your hill assist and stuff come on?
Yeah.
Does it go off when you turn it off? It's just like, I can't do it. I didn't even think about it coming out here. I was just more excited to try to swing the car. I should have came out and tried to find a smaller tire. Oh my god. Oh, that's dirt. Okay, I thought it was rubber. Yeah, it just doesn't go. Do you want to go again?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
The car's too damn loud for that.
Damn,
and
bro. I'm a little disappointed, but that's just part of it.
I don't want to kill my tires doing that at once.
I should have known.
Because it was dry where we were doing it, so.
It is pretty dry. What are you gonna do, boys? It just didn't work. Hades definitely swung a lot easier. It just too thick. These big old meaties ain't doing the trick. We fried them a little bit. What happened with the first clip?
I don't want to talk about it. I thought the camera's on,
Unreal,
controlled
dude.
it, but it actually Bluetoothed to his GoPro. So I was messing with his GoPro trying to get this camera to work.
Damn, this thing is dirty now.
Rubber all over your exhaust tip now.
We're gonna get all this gunk off these cars fast.
We can meet each other both at the same time.
You think so?
Yeah.
I mean, I could back up. This is what it takes to get Brandon out to wash his car. Have him swing it when it's raining. Definitely a shitty attempt. We're gonna come back though and redeem ourselves. I'm gonna grab some like stock wheels and tires off a marketplace, and it'll be able to break loose and stay loose. The issue is just it would break loose at first, but these things would get hot, sticky, and just catch. So I understand how people now race when it's raining. It doesn't really matter. Excuse me, officer, I'd like to report a crime. A guy in a yellow Mustang was just doing donuts in a parking lot. I'd like to file a complaint and have him arrested immediately. I can't remember the last time we had all 3 vehicles out at once, and yet again, karma always stealing the show because this thing looks so freaking good. But you know, the Mach and Lucifer, you can't count them out. You know, they're Mustangs. That's not even the Mustang's rival. That's like above, because you know the Camaro. I mean, the Camaro. That's cute. The C7 will forever be one of the best body styles they've ever released, and this is like the base of the body styles. The Z06 and the Grand Sport have the wider fenders and just way more aggressive. And I mean, look, this is what you're getting base wise. So it's like, yeah, you can't go wrong with the C7s. What's going on? It's good to meet you. Derek, Blake. Appreciate you coming out, man. Got you some cars here. So check it out, guys. We got Blake here, and you know, Blake does his own mobile detailing, which is super clutch, especially around this time of year. And for all the car guys that know, if you're busy and stuff, it is a headache getting the cars out here trying to beat that 5 o'clock sundown and the cold. But Blake, you want to introduce yourself real quick?
What's going on, guys? I'm Blake. I run a mobile detail shop in the Midlothian, Richmond area. Out here doing some basic maintenance washes on these 3 cars here.
All 3 cars are just getting a little exterior wash because this thing went on a road trip. It went to the track, it went to Maryland to race, and it hasn't been washed in over a month. I just haven't had the time, so Blake's gonna take care of that, and Lucifer's even longer. Karma, I just, you know, figured we'd throw this one in, make the wife happy. Happy wife, happy life. So, she's getting washed, or else my ass would get chewed out, but Blake's here to save the day. You got socials, you got stuff?
Everything's on the back of the shirt.
Cool, check it out. Carter's Auto Spa, 804-677-7218. Get a close-up of that QR code. Yeah. Boom, pull up your phone, boys. Pull up the phone, snag the QR, hit them up, tell them I sent you, and it's clutch, man. We're gonna be working a lot. 15% off if you mention DBP Squad, 15% off, so make it happen. We're gonna let him get to work. We'll probably pop out. He has a lot of work to do, and we'll catch him kind of mid-wash. I got work to do, and that's why Blake is convenient. So hit him up, guys. Tell him I sent you, 15% off.
Doing a little update on the cars. He's still working on the Mach, it looks like, drying it off. What's going on, man? How's it going?
Just finishing up this one.
Nice. Whew. They look good. Yeah, now that the sun's out, you can definitely see. Yeah, that looks so good.
They were all really clean already. This it looks good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Got the call from Blake, says all 3 cars are wrapped up, and I'm actually excited because I love a clean car. There's no better feeling. I feel like they drive better.
They definitely drive better.
They definitely do. I know it's a real thing. I don't know. All 3 cars are hitting the track, so having them clean and stuff is gonna be fuego. How'd she go, man?
Done.
Yes, sir.
All looking really good.
Oh, hell no. Damn. You were there for a minute. Woo, look at Karma. Jeez. Yo, Blake, look, he killed it. Oh my God, the Mach too. Hold on, let's focus here. Karma looking sick, and then the Mach. This thing is so clean. Jake's gonna be happy to see this. Damn, Blake, you crushed it, dude. Holy shit. These are so spotless. And then Lucifer.
It was already clean before, and it looks so good.
What, this?
Yeah.
This was clean? No shot, really?
The ceramic coat on it.
Oh yeah, ceramic coat, it works well, yeah. But Lucifer looking clean, man. Oh, now we're talking.
What up?
What's your name, bro?
My name is Jace.
Jace? You like the cars?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite? Which one are you taking?
Oh, I think this one.
Nah, come on, man. You don't like blue?
I like blue, but I like.
The vet's nice, isn't it?
This one better. This one.
Which one you like?
This one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Damn, we took out the bush. But Blake, appreciate you, bro.
Sure.
Hey,
Anytime.
Thank you, man. And
Carter's Auto Spa on Instagram. 804-677-7218 is the number. Give me a call.
we're gonna be doing more things in the future, and when I need my cars washed, I'm gonna be real with you. He's the man I'm calling. So hit him up. Get that promo code DBP Squad, 15% off. I mean, dude, you can't beat that. You can't beat it. Hold on, are y'all twins?
Yeah.
Really? Top one right there. Yep. You gonna subscribe?
I'm definitely subscribing. This is you.
That's it. That's it. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you guys. You park Mav?
Yeah.
I'll park Lucifer.
All right.
Hey, you look good in a Mach 1, bro.
40 grand.
Blake did such a good job, man. That thing looks good. Woo, she's birthday ready next weekend, boys. We're going to VIR with Lucifer, and then we're going to Dominion Raceway the next day on Sunday with Maverick. So they're ready to go. What do you do, YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Well, not on social media. No.
Y'all are funny, man.